So cross application component, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, settings for customer integration. Now I will assign, let me check, FI is there, no. So new entries, FI, BPRC, then save. Enter, it will get saved. Back. Now go to define BP role for direction customer to BP. New entries, our group, FI, CG, customer group. I'm going to link that customer group with FIAT C1. Okay. If you are having C2, C3, C4, likewise multiple roles, you can use the same group. But you need to have that much of number range for CG. So, field assignment, assign key. Now I need to assign the number range. New entries, FI, AT, P8. So account group, FI, CG. Okay. Then, once this configuration is done, now go back. Now close customer integration. Go to vendor integration. Again role category, new entries, FI, BP, RC, same group, role category, and save. Now this is for vendor based. Previously it is customer based. Save. Back. Now come back. Here go to direction vendor to BP. New entries, FISG supplier group. Now I'm matching this with FIAT V1 vendor role. Then save. Come back. Now go to field assignment, assign key. Now we need to link the number range. New entries, FIAT business partner number range with FISG. FI with FISG is with FI number range. Once this configuration is done, now go back. So far configuration is over. Now we need to create one customer, one supplier, and one customer as vendor, these three. So that I'll finish it off with that today. Okay. You can just practice so that I will start a new topic on next week. So that it is easy for you to understand. I'm not supposed to dump more.
Okay.
So now shortcut only we can able to use to create business partner, BP. That is the shortcut.
Okay. Okay.
Go to organization, select our role here. You can check our role here. And just go on. I'll check on the one. So our role, Fiat B1 is there, right? Fiat C1 is there. So select, I'll just create customer first. C1. Create, I need to change the number range also to Fiat. Fiat. Then title, company, name. I'll just give some customer name. C8 customer, right? So I can give some SH Lakshmi Fiat. Lakshmi Fiat. Okay. Then address. I'll just give first main road. 45 600 075 Chennai, country India, region Tamil Nadu. So I'm using my state Tamil Nadu 22. 22 is not there, just give TN Tamil Nadu. In some system we'll find 22, some system TN. Then language we need to select English. While you are doing configuration, you can select your country and your region,
Yeah.
whatever you are currently. Now we have selected general data in differential type, right? So automatically we are filling general information first. This is general data screen. Now go to company code. Here, give our company code FIAT and enter. Once you press enter, you will see a checkbox here, tick, green tick, and it will show internal in customer. Then in reconciliation, select sundry data, customer reconciliation account. In payment transaction, we have to see payment terms of payment topic separately. So I'll use dummy ID 0001, then tolerance CT, customer tolerance, which we created and save. Automatically, you will get business partner number 93,001. For customer 70,001, which we used in CGFI. This is for C1FI. This C1FI. Okay. Now organization. Now I'll change this to vendor V1, FIAT V1. FIAT V1. Number range is already in P8, so no problem. Create. Title company. I'll give vendor. Vendor I'll just give C8 tires. Address I'll just give GST road number 55 600047 Chennai, country India, region Tamil Nadu, language English. Then go to company code. Here previously you see internal in customer, right? Now we have selected supplier role, so it will go to supplier. FIAT, enter. Company code, you will get the checkbox. Now it is asking vendor account information. Okay. Reconciliation account, creditors. Payment transaction. Here I use same terms of payment 0001. Tolerance, ST, supplier tolerance. Then go to general data. For vendor alone, we need to give PAN number. In India, without PAN number, we cannot able to calculate tax. So vendor country specific enhanced. Here I need to give the PAN number. Okay. Now go to company code, sale. Yes. Continue. Now you can see 93,002 is created. Previously, you see 93,001 for customer, right? Now 2 for vendor. But in supplier, you will get different number, 80,001. For that, I have given 70,001. This is 80,001. Okay. So now I'll create customer as vendor. To create customer as vendor, I need to create it in a group, as a group organization. In role, select group. For all the group name, you will find X with that name. So our group name is FI, BP, or G. So we can find it in F. See FI, BP, or G, Fiat. You will find the X, right? X means cross. It is not X, it is actually cross. Cross means we can create both customer and supplier. That is cross.
Okay.
Cross, create, same number range, title company. For our understanding, I'll just give customer as /vendor or FIAT. Then address. I'll just give second Avenue, number 22, 600020, Chennai, country India, region Tamil Nadu, TN, language English. Now you can see I have selected grouping, right? You will find customer general data, as well as if I scroll, you will find vendor general data also together. That is cross. Now go to company code. Here you will find internal on both. Now you will get 93,003 here, but 70,002 and 80,002 here. Separate number. FIAT and enter. Now you will not get the checkbox here. Why? Because you need to activate manually. So click company code. You need to activate. I'm going to create customer and supplier both. Then if you click adapt, you will get checkbox. For grouping alone, we need to do manually. First, customer account, sundry data. Then payment transaction, 0001. Then tolerance, CT. Now we can get vendor also here, vendor account management. Reconciliation account, when he is acting as a vendor, sundry creditor. Then vendor payment transaction, 0001 payment terms. When he is acting as a vendor, he need to follow supplier tolerance. Okay. Now general data. I need to give PAN number for vendor. If I scroll down, you can find vendor country specific. Here I need to give the PAN number. Now go to company code and save. Okay. Okay. Now you can see 70,000 to 80,002. Here 3. So now one business partner, he will act as customer when we are seeing from customer point of view, vendor from vendor point of view. It has occupied one number from customer, one number from supplier, but it occupied only one number from business partner. So this is called business partner configuration and customer and vendor creation. Okay.